Hello, online students, and welcome to another week of online learning. This video is going to cover this week, 11:16, as well as next week, 11:24, because it's only 2 days next week. So this, again, is going to cover this week and next week. So I've given you 3 assignments, a study guide, quiz, and then the first assignment on our next unit, biomes and ecosystems. So let's get right into it. So as always, you can click on a link here, or you can go to our modules to find these assignments. LG6 Study Guide. I didn't give you any references here. It says you can find these answers from previous assignments, specifically the Nearpods. The questions on the quiz will be very similar, so if you don't know the answers on the study guide, don't click next for the quiz. It's not going to be good. So you will want to go back through those if you don't know yet. You're going to need to know these terms all for the test. We have prevailing winds, atmospheric pressure, currents, lake effect, windward and leeward, and rain shadow. These 4 are all tied together. Rain shadow happens when the lake effect, the water from a large body of water evaporates, and then it is blown inland. As it's blown inland, you have a mountain range, and the water on the windward side that the wind is hitting it drops here. This side of the mountain is very wet. On the opposite side of the mountain over here is very dry. The absence of rain is a rain shadow. The entire thing is called a rain shadow effect. I definitely recommend looking up a couple images of that because it is very helpful. Basically, this just breaks down exactly what I said. You've got the windward side, the leeward side. You have the lake effect happening. And over here you have the rain shadow. This whole thing is called the rain shadow effect. Yeah, so that's all stuff that you need to know. This whole study guide you need to know. I'd like you to draw a diagram of prevailing winds, atmospheric pressure, a diagram of currents, and then draw a diagram of rain shadow, including the terms lake effect, windward, and leeward. That covers most of what's on the test. The only thing it doesn't really cover is the stuff from this previous assignment where you're applying factors of climate, everything that we've talked about so far. But if you know everything from this assignment as well as everything on this study guide, you are going to do great on the next assignment. Again, you can click here for the quiz, or you can click next. And the next thing is this quiz. The quiz will pull up. You can retake the quiz if you want. All you have to do is wait 24 hours and study, because if you just take it and then you take it again, you're not going to do any better. There is a few different things that you'll need to know on the quiz. Make sure you study the items from earlier in the module and you will do great. Remember, assessments are worth 80% of your grade. So all of the assignments leading up to this are only to help you understand what's on the assessment. Do well on the study guide, do well on the quiz. That is my advice to you. Last thing you're going to do is another Nearpod. This is going to introduce what we're working on in the next unit, and biomes and ecosystems. Basically, everything that we've studied so far, whether it's latitude, axis of the earth, revolution, rotation, prevailing winds, ocean currents, all of that makes us have different biomes around the world. This is going to go into exactly what I'm talking about. Make sure you do the activities in the Nearpod, or you will not get credit for the Nearpod. That is it for this week and the 2 days next week. I hope you guys have a great Thanksgiving break. I hope you're all staying safe out there with the craziness going on in Utah. And that's it from here. If you have questions, please reach out. I'm going to get caught up on grading probably the next couple of days, so your grades will be updated. If you have any questions, please email me. If you want a video chat, please email me. I'd love to have an individual video chat help you out. Hope all is well. Stay safe out there. As we say here at Fort Harriman Middle School, we love you, we care about you, and make it a great day.